pretty clean. What's happening, guys? We are hopping into another video. Can't really say top of the morning because it is definitely the evening. But yeah, man, we're here in the M340i. Just got this thing tuned. Just got it dropped on the coils. Big shout out to PQ Performance. Everything so far is great. I honestly haven't even driven the car. I took it home that night, and today is like the first day I took it out. Can't wait for my exhaust because the car is still too quiet. Like, even though we're catless downpipe, this thing is still super quiet. The stock muffler is like super restricted, so this thing is not loud like whatsoever. If you guys are concerned about the car being too loud, if you go catless downpipe, if you have stock exhaust, don't worry about it. It's not gonna be loud at all. Currently on the way to my boys over at Upscale Detailing. Finally, we're gonna be getting this thing paint corrected. It needs it bad. It needs it bad, bruh. It's just funny too, because like every video I upload, someone's always like, bro, it needs paint correction. I'm like, bro, I talk about it every video, like, damn. I'm not sure if we're gonna do the ceramic coating yet. We might just do it, just knock it out the way, just because I know it's gonna make the car look that much better. All right, guys. I should have got my other camera. It's a little more detailed so you guys can see how bad this is, but see, it doesn't even look that bad on this camera. But nah, trust, it's bad. Yeah, it really doesn't look bad on this camera. You have to see, we need some like direct sunlight. You guys get the idea? This thing looks so good.
Turn on light?
Nah, you good. I like that dark lighting. You know how the warehouse picks is? What is happening with you guys? Coming at you live from the Drift Z. Wait, can you actually hear me? Yes, sir. So we actually changed the fuel pump out like 3 weeks ago. Yeah, I don't know what was wrong with the other one, but that thing sounded like it was about to explode, bro. Definitely much more quiet in here. It's a lot more enjoyable to drive, so I don't really mind driving this thing now. So as of right now, he is actually finished with the paint correction. She's all shining again, looking nice. I think he's just washing it right now, getting it prepped to do the ceramic coat. And yeah, she'll be done. Probably a few days here. Hopefully it's done by Saturday morning. There's some fun activities I'm trying to attend this weekend, but I'm excited to see it. I saw a few videos and damn, night and day difference. Bruh, I didn't see the truck and all I saw was a car doing that, and I was like, what the hell, is that a car doing a wheelie? In the next video, I'll go into depth and talk about what's going on with the Z. I think we found the issue. We did find an issue, a new issue, that is most likely the problem. So probably the next video I'll cover that. All right, you guys ready for it? Crazy, bro. Night and day. Night and day. So it still needs a wash. It's a little bit dusty. They're gonna do the wash right now, polish, and then do the ceramic coating. But she looks crazy now. The fact that it looks this good and it's not done yet. I'm already happy, shit. Oh, it needed it so bad. That stock valve though, little do they know, it's downpipe tuned. Damn, bro, the car looks so much better. Bruh. Oh man. And this is no polish, just compound. It's ready. They're about to get down on the polish. Alright guys, well, we will be back when she's all done. I'm gonna let them get to it.
3 days later.
Alright guys, she's all done. This thing looks so good now. You ready? Bustin' with a capital B. Got a little smudge there. Damn. I mean, you guys saw what this thing looked like before. It was pretty bad. Damn. This thing looks crazy now. So full paint correction, polish, and then ceramic coated the whole car. Sheesh. It looks so much better, bro. Man, just to be able to like look at the hood and not see all those damn scratches. This thing looks crazy. He actually went and ceramic coated all the windows as well, so those should stay a little cleaner. What's next? My rear diffuser, third brake light, full carbon. It comes all the way out right here, so it's gonna fill in that gap. Need that. The only reason I haven't put that rear diffuser on is because the stock exhaust tips don't fit with it, so it's gonna look real stupid with no exhaust right there. I figured I would just wait until the exhaust comes. I'm just gonna wait until I destroy this lip, probably get another one, a nicer one. But besides that, man, shit Gucci. Once again, man, huge shout out to my guys over here at Upscale Detailing. I will throw their at down there. They'll get you right, man. Ooh, shit. Damn. This has been here for a minute. It's hot as a mother. God damn. This motherfucker needs some gas. Yeah, I know. Damn, I pretty much forgot this thing was tuned. I haven't even did my first E85 mix yet. So we are gonna fill this thing up for the first time. A little E50. Smells actually pretty decent. I feel like I smell more E85 than 91, so that's cool. You guys know me, I'm not a fan of smelling 91. That shit reeks. Yeah, man, I just had to show you guys the car when it was all finished. I got some other stuff that's going on today, so I'm just gonna start like a whole new video. You guys definitely want to stick around for the next upload. It's gonna be a banger. I'm actually gonna link up today with my boy Snooge, and we're gonna do a few runs with his new 20, I think it's a 21 M4, the G82. So should be pretty interesting. A pretty cool comparison, bone stock M4 versus downpipe tune M340i. Damn, they got the mook off, just melting the noggin. A little too hot for that, buddy. These things make about 503 horsepower stock. From what I found out off both of the BMWs that I owned, they cap on their numbers. Basically what they list the car, like advertised horsepower, that's typically like what they make to the wheel. So the new G80, G82, they're probably pushing right under 500 wheel, right in that area. It'll be a pretty cool comparison. That's around what this car should be making right now. Obviously it's street tuned and I haven't got it on the dyno yet, so I don't know my exact numbers, but I'm just going to guesstimate it's making somewhere between like 485 and 500 in that range. It should be a pretty dope comparison. I mean, even if I make a little bit more horsepower than him, this car for sure should be a little bit heavier. So we'll see. Stay tuned, guys. Like always, man, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next upload.